Imagine starting your day with the vibrant, sun-kissed flavors of the Mediterranean. In today's video, I'm taking you through a full day of delicious Mediterranean eating, from breakfast to dinner, packed with fresh, wholesome ingredients, bold flavors, and tons of health benefits. And stick around until the end because I've got a special Mediterranean dessert that will bring a taste of the coast straight to your kitchen. If you love good food and great health, hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. Let's dive in. The Mediterranean diet isn't just a way of eating. It's a lifestyle inspired by nature, simplicity, and tradition. It's rich in antioxidants from fresh fruits, veggies, and olive oil. It's heart-healthy thanks to omega-3s from fish and nuts. And it's full of delicious flavors that make every meal feel like a celebration. Now, let's walk through a full day of Mediterranean-inspired meals that you can make right at home. We're kicking off the morning with a bright and fresh Mediterranean breakfast, Greek avocado and tomato toast. Ingredients: 1 slice whole grain bread, half-ripe avocado, 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, chopped, 1 tablespoon crumbled feta cheese, 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil, a sprinkle of oregano and sea salt. Instructions: 1. Mash the avocado onto toasted bread. 2. Top with cherry tomatoes and crumbled feta. 3. Drizzle with olive oil and season with oregano and sea salt. This meal is light, refreshing, and packed with healthy fats, keeping you satisfied and energized all morning. For lunch, we're making something nutrient-dense, flavorful, and easy to prepare: a vibrant Mediterranean quinoa bowl. Ingredients: half cup cooked quinoa, 1/4 cup roasted chickpeas, half cup cucumbers, diced, 1/4 cup Kalamata olives, 2 tablespoons crumbled feta cheese, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, a sprinkle of oregano. Instructions: 1. Toss everything together in a bowl. 2. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice, mix, and enjoy. Quinoa provides plant-based protein, chickpeas add fiber, and the olives and feta give it that signature Mediterranean tang. Dinner is all about simple, fresh ingredients that shine on their own. We're making lemon and herb grilled fish, a classic Mediterranean favorite. Ingredients: 1 fish fillet, sea bass, salmon, or cod, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 garlic clove, minced, half a teaspoon dried oregano, half a teaspoon thyme, 1 lemon, sliced, a pinch of sea salt and black pepper. Instructions: 1. Rub the fish with olive oil, garlic, oregano, and thyme. 2. Grill or pan-sear over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes per side. 3. Serve with fresh lemon slices and enjoy. This dish is packed with omega-3s, helping reduce inflammation and boost brain health, plus, it tastes like a seaside vacation. And now, for a simple yet luxurious Mediterranean dessert: Greek yogurt with honey and almonds. Ingredients: 1 cup full-fat Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon raw honey, 2 tablespoons sliced almonds, a sprinkle of cinnamon. Instructions: 1. Spoon the yogurt into a bowl. 2. Drizzle with honey and top with almonds. 3. Sprinkle with cinnamon and enjoy. This dessert is light yet satisfying, and the honey helps promote relaxation and better sleep. And there you have it, a full day of sun-kissed Mediterranean eating. Which meal are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Mediterranean recipe. See you in the next one. Until then, eat well and savor every bite.